Hello student, today we are going to discuss classification of an information system. Okay, so what is information system? The system, it consists of the database and provide the relevant information to the user on time. Okay, so which is to be divided into different parts, that are operation support system and management support system. Also, this operation support system, which is divided into transaction processing system, process control system, enterprise collaboration system or office automation system. Next, management information system, decision support system and executive information system. Okay, let's discuss these things one by one. First, operation support system. It has been supporting various business such as accounting and production. So those system that support some business operations, which are grouped under operation support system. Support system means what? Operation support system means what? Those system which are support the business operation. So there are three business there are three main divisions of OSS, that is operation support system. First one is transaction processing system, process control system and enterprise collaboration system. So transaction processing system, which helps in processing various business transactions and retrieving information from them. Process control system, it helps in monitoring and controlling physical processes in an organization. These systems help in making day-to-day decision and controlling operational process. Enterprise collaboration system, which help in sharing information amongst employees, a paper flow of information which help in increasing the productivity of an organization. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the operation support system. In next, what we are going to discuss, we will discuss the things which are related to the management support system, in which management information system, decision support system and executive information system we will discuss. Okay, thank you.